This is an unboxing video. Today on the Travel Punks, I have the pleasure and the privilege of unboxing and unwrapping the brand new, just released iPhone 12 Pro, the top of the line new iPhone model, give or take a 12 Pro Max. Before I get started with this awesome responsibility, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit that little bell icon so you find out about all of our shit as soon as it comes out. And now we will get to unboxing and unwrapping the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's hope I don't fuck it up. As you can see, it comes in this nice size little package. It's got a little Mission Impossible warning that this package contains a lithium-ion battery and might self-destruct. Let's hope we don't blow ourselves up as we undertake the dangerous operation of unboxing and unwrapping an iPhone 12 Pro. This is one of the first of the iPhone 12 Pros to be shipped. I pre-ordered it just a few days after pre-order became available, and so we're going to be some of the first people to get our hands on this product. All right, the box unfolds. It comes wrapped in this plastic so that you can turn it upside down and it won't fall out. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. All right, here's the packaging. Pretty cool. It's kind of compact. I think some of my past iPhone packaging came in a white box, but this is coming in a black box. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. It's 6.1 inches. There's the 12 Pro Max, which has a slightly better camera and is a little bit bigger, but let's face it, I wear tight pants and I can barely handle a phone this size anyways, but I think this is actually smaller than my last iPhone with a brand new redesign. Let's check it out. You see already the triple camera model. The iPhone 11 Pro was the biggest leap forward in iPhone camera technology, I think ever. So the iPhone 12 Pro is even better. It's got a LiDAR scanner, three lens camera like the last one did, and I think the Pro Max has a slightly better camera, but I'm really excited with some of the point and click shots I'm going to be able to get with this. Comes with a little thing that says designed by Apple in California. Good to know that not everything's on fire. This has got a little opener key for the SIM card tray, some disposal information, and of course, an Apple sticker for me to stick on something to flaunt my quote-unquote Apple identity. If you don't know Apple employees, yes, that is a real thing that they talk about, your Apple identity. Digging a little bit further into the box, we've got this charger, which... yes, it's a USB-C charger. Right now I've been plugging my old USB 3 chargers into an adapter to plug it into my MacBook Pro. Check out the unboxing video that we posted on that. It's the newer model MacBook Pro 13-inch, but this is going to help me charge and back up much easier without having to have the extra bulk of an adapter. As for the phone itself, some of the features is that it's ready for 5G, which is one of the main reasons I wanted this one instead of the less expensive models, because I was intrigued by the potential for faster internet, faster data. The design is pretty cool. I've always liked this sharper corner design and wasn't as excited when the X came out with the rounder corners that had been common, I think, since the 7 and actually the 6. I think the last one that had these sharp edges was the 5. It's got a LiDAR scanner, the camera's supposed to be good for low light, and the screen is actually a ceramic shield, so it's supposed to be less easy to break and create those beautiful spiderweb cracks that we see on so many people's phones. So this is it. I'm excited. I like the clean white look, and I've got a silicone case for it, so I'm going to pop it in and back it up from my iPhone backup on my Mac, and then I'm going to mail in my old iPhone for a $250 credit and save a little bit of money. So, hope you've enjoyed this exciting and death-defying unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. I, for one, am super happy that I didn't stab myself.